Hi everyone, my name is Abby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious and a healthy chocolate oatmeal recipe. If you don't like chocolate, you can just leave out the step of the recipe where we use cacao powder and it'll still taste pretty good. This recipe is gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, and peanut-free. If you want to make it almond-free, I would just use coconut milk or oat milk instead of the almond coconut, which I use in this recipe, and I'd also take out the almond butter. So I've actually already shot this entire video one time, but this is my first time making a YouTube video on an iPhone, or at all actually, but I didn't know that you need to film with your camera facing horizontally. So the first time I did it, I had my camera facing vertically and I went to edit it and then it wasn't looking the best. So here we are again. I watched a YouTube video on how to record YouTube videos on your iPhone, and I learned that I should be filming horizontally. So let's do this again, round 2. So we're gonna start with Bob's Red Mill old-fashioned rolled oats, and they are gluten-free. As you can see, I've added the oats to the bowl. I probably used about a cup. I don't tend to measure, I just base it upon like how hungry I am. Next, I've added in chia seeds. I'd say I used maybe half a tablespoon. Usually I tend to use a little bit more, but I ran out. Next, I've added in this hemp protein. You can see it right there. Next, I added in ground up flax seeds. You can see there on the right. Again, I probably used about a tablespoon or 2. These are actually whole flax seeds, so I'll show you what I do to grind them up. It's really easy. So all you have to do is put some of these in a blender with nothing else. So here we have the flax seeds in my NutriBullet. I just put the top on, and now I'm gonna grind them up using the blender. So all you have to do is blend them up for a few seconds and you'll get this. You'll be ready to go. I would recommend storing your ground up flax seeds in the refrigerator. The whole ones can stay in the pantry. Next, I'm gonna add in some cinnamon. There we can see the cinnamon I added. Next, we're gonna add the cacao powder. If you don't like chocolate or just don't want a chocolatey oatmeal, I would leave this step out. Now that we've added the cacao powder, I'm going to stir this all up just so all the ingredients are spread evenly. Next, I'm going to add this almond coconut blend milk. I use the unsweetened kind to keep the recipe sugar-free. I also sometimes just use a plain almond milk. So I'm just going to add in enough to basically cover the oatmeal. So that, I'm going to stir it up. Let's see. So that's not enough, so I'll add in some more. I think this should be good. It might be a little soupy now. I try to keep it from getting like super liquidy, but I'll see what happens when I cook it and go from there. Next, I added in banana, which I like to do before I cook the oats, because I think heating up the banana kind of melts it a little bit and gives the oatmeal a sweeter taste. I use the whole banana here. Sometimes I use half of it and then add the other half once it's finished cooking. Next, I added in a handful of blueberries. I like to do this before I cook the oatmeal because I think once they get heated, some of the juice comes out, and I think that tastes pretty good. I stirred all the ingredients together one more time, and now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So this is the oatmeal after 2 minutes in the microwave. You can see that some of the blueberries have kind of like broken open, this kind of purpley color over here, and then the bananas have gotten a little bit softer. There's still like a little bit of liquid over here, so I think that I'm going to cook it for another minute, but you can really just kind of decide what you want to do based upon your own preferences. This is the oatmeal after one more minute in the microwave. I think it's looking a lot better. There's like a little bit of liquid over there, but I don't think we're going to do much better. So the last step is just going to be to add some almond butter. Here we can see I've added in the almond butter. I probably used like 2 tablespoons. You can really use any type of nut butter here, like peanut butter or sunflower butter is really good as well. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions or feedback down in the comments below, and I'll see you for the next one.